Good morning everyone. This is New Vision International School Computer Department. I'm your computer teacher Saima. This lesson is for grade 8 girls. Please open page number 68 and 69. Before starting the lesson, you need your book, your copybook and your pencil. Please open page number 68. On page number 68, we have project 3, which is on Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. Project 3. Open an image of your choice. Any image you can open from your computer. Now set it to 500 pixels into 500 pixels and resolution should be 150 pixels per inch. This thing we can already done in our class, that how you will set your picture into 500 pixels and 500 pixels. The height and the width, they are showing you the height and the width of your picture. Then save the image with your 4 different names. Now the same image will be saved 4 times with different names. You can write image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4. Or you can write your names as well, that Saima 1, Saima 2, Saima 3, Saima 4, or any name you can give them. The next step what you have to do, that convert the 4 images to different color modes as mentioned in the table below. You have one table given on page number 68. There are 4 image numbers, image 1, 2, 3 and 4. And the color modes for these 4 pictures are CMYK, GRAYSCALE, SEPIA and DUOTONE. These 4 things we have to do today. Now at the end, create new document that will be 500 pixels into 200 pixels, in which you paste your 4 pictures in different color modes. Now the steps to follow. Now this is the first image. What you have to do, that click on window, channel to open the color mode, examine the RGB mode. RGB mode means red, green and blue. The picture which we are opening, it will always be in RGB mode. Now I will tell you some explanation over here that I am sure that you have witnessed, just as I have, how many publications and marketing materials that are no longer printed, residing only on the web. Now for that of shortcut, we are using the Photoshop. By implementing this small automation in Photoshop, you can take your enormous folder full of RGB images and convert them to CMYK. Steps to follow. To convert an image to CMYK mode, execute the command image, then click mode, then click CMYK. Then again steps to follow. To convert a color image into a grayscale mode, execute the command image mode grayscale. Now look at the result. This is the result we will get in the last. You can follow the link converting RGB to CMYK. When you will click this link, then your video will start automatically. Now converting an image to sepia mode. So actually what is a sepia mode? Sepia is a reddish brown color named after the rich brown pigment derived from the linked sac of common cuttlefish sepia. So when you are changing the color into sepia, this will give you the result a reddish brown color with some pigments. For changing the image to a sepia mode, what you have to do that execute the command image, hue, then saturation, and activate the checkbox colorize. You can see the colorize option is on the right hand side of the box. You have to just click it, then try to modify the values, hue, saturation and lightness in order to obtain different sepia colors. Now look at the result. Please follow the link to convert an image to a sepia mode. When you will click the link, then your video will automatically Now the last option is converting an image to a duotone mode. Duotone mode means that you are changing your picture in two modes, two colors. First convert it to a grayscale mode and then proceed with the following. The grayscale mode picture which we have already done in our lesson, we will do the next part. Now after converting the image to the grayscale mode, execute the command image mode and duotone. Now from type, choose duotone, then select two colors you want to apply to the pictures. Now look at the result. This is the result. follow the link to convert an image to a duotone mode. Just click over the link and you will check that how you can convert an image to a duotone mode. Thank you, students. I hope that you understand the lesson.